Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm going to be recreating a popular look that was requested by a viewer, and it's the chunky glitter peekaboo cuticle look. Now I've done something kind of similar to this before, but I didn't do a video of it. I'm not sure why. I did it last year, but I did it with the peekaboo at the cuticles and a ombre there, and I loved the look, and I did it with Revel's Pillow Talk and Erica. So I'm gonna be doing this look with these colors as well, but just because I think they're gonna look really good. Now I've worked through this process in my head. I have not actually practiced it on a nail or a swatch yet. So I'm gonna go through how I think would be best done, and I already know these colors look great together, so I don't need to practice them together, but we will see in the end result how they look. Okay. So Pillow Talk is this really beautiful rose gold chunky glitter, and then Erica is a nice sheer pink. I think one of the biggest tricks and the best ways to successfully complete this look, or to make this look happen, would be to use a color that is a little bit more translucent, you can see through. So I'm going to be starting by applying my my Pillow Talk first. I'm going to be using gel base, and you can definitely use dip base if you'd like. If you'd like to apply this with dip base, you can. I'm only using gel base just because it's just easier to, I mean, you get more time to work with it, and it's just easier to control where the glitter is and make sure that you have a nice clean application before everything dries on you. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of gel base just at the cuticle area here. I'm not gonna try and put the glitter on the whole nail and then go over. I'm just gonna apply kind of in the bottom third of the nail. I'm going to pour some of my Pillow Talk out into a cupcake liner. And then I'm just going to lay these in. Okay, and once you have all those glitters where you want them, and make sure that they are just a little bit pressed down. You could probably do like a really short cure and then press down just to make sure that it's not sticking up too much at the cuticle line. I'm just going to, and then after that, of course, you cure, which I just did a full 60-second cure. I am also going to tell you what is on my left hand. I have Laurel from the Bohemian Bouquet collection from Revel on my left hand. I'm obsessed with this color, so yeah. Anyway, now we are going to get into the top layers here. I'm going to do a layer of clear over all of these, over the entire nail, and then I'll get in with the color. Okay, now I'm going to start dipping my sheer color, my Erica. I am going to be applying most of the dip powder down in this area, so it's going to be kind of starting with the apex method now with Erica pretty much, but starting from about here, I'm going to go in. Okay, second dip covering pretty much covering the entire nail side to side, but not right up where the glitter is. I don't want to put any dip on that yet. So I'm going to do a few dips this way. Okay, now I'm going to do a dip going all the way down to the cuticle and over that glitter again. Okay, all there is left is to activate and file these and see if it had the intended effect. Okay, when filing these, I did of course make sure to get into the cuticle line with the file right along here, just to make sure that it kind of reveals a little bit more of that glitter right at the cuticle line. And now I'm just gonna buff these and then activate and top coat. Okay, and there we are with the finished product. I think they came out pretty much exactly how I was hoping they would, so I love them. Let me know what you think below. If you have any requests for designs that you think I should do, feel free to let me know. And I also have a giveaway that I'm about to be doing on in my Facebook group, Melissa's Mary Hive, so you can join us there. I'll be giving away a couple of the upcoming double dipped colors for the fall, and a full set of her liquids, which are my absolute favorite. So come and check it out so you can join our giveaway, and I will see you next time.